Hi guys. Okay, so right now we're going to work on function inputs and outputs, but given a graph. Same concept applies. Here we have to select all values for which f of x equals 6. Now remember, f of x, where x is your input, okay, this is our function, x is our input, and 6 is our output. Remember, an input is x, and output is y. So we're given our y value. Now on a graph, remember this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. We have our function here. It looks kind of like a stock graph now, which we call a line graph. So 6 being our output, and it's our y value. So on the y-axis, we find 6, which is right here. Now, if you go left and right, okay, this is left and this is right, okay, so left and right, you need to see, is there any x value on this graph, this blue graph line, okay, that touches that line, okay, at 6, when y is 6. There is no x value. This graph doesn't go high enough to give us an output of 6. So the only selection that we have here is D, none of the above. Well, let's just do another question. Let's see. All right, now here, what is the input value other than -7 for which h of x being our input equals 3. Remember, 3 is our output. So we have our output of 3, which is right here. Now if we go to the left, we hit that -7. We don't want -7. We want other than -7. So we can't put -7 in for x. But let's go to the right. Do we hit the graph at output of 3? We do, right here. So that is at x is equal to 5. So all you do is plug in 5 and check your answer. Okay, we got it correct. Any questions, just let me know. Bye guys.